Have you ever found yourself waking up 2, 3, even 4 times a night just to use the bathroom? If you're living with diabetes, this may have become an all too familiar part of your nightly routine. And let's be honest, those constant interruptions don't just leave you tired. They quietly drain your energy, make it harder to concentrate, and slowly wear down your overall health. But what if the solution doesn't come from another pill? What if the real answer has been sitting right in your kitchen all along? Hi there, I'm Dr. Mike, and I'm really glad you've taken a few minutes out of your day to join me. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't get nearly enough attention, yet it affects millions of people every single night: frequent urination during sleep. It might sound like a small inconvenience, but in reality, it can seriously disrupt your rest, your energy, and even your long-term health. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's how you become part of a growing community focused on natural, sustainable health solutions. And just tapping the like button helps this video reach others who are searching for answers just like you. I genuinely love hearing from you. So take a moment to leave a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from, and have you ever wondered why you keep waking up multiple times each night just to use the bathroom? Let's get to the root of the issue, and more importantly, let's talk about what you can actually do to fix it. In this video, we're going to explore 5 simple, everyday vegetables that might truly surprise you. They don't just help soothe an irritated bladder, they also support tired kidneys, balance blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and most importantly, help you sleep soundly through the night. When used at the right time and in the right way, these vegetables can gently reset your body's rhythm in the most natural way possible. Stick around until the end, because every second you stay could earn you hours of uninterrupted sleep, and a healthier, more energized you. Let's start with something simple: celery. Most people think of it as a crunchy, low-calorie snack, but few realize how deeply it supports your bladder and kidneys. Celery contains natural plant compounds called phthalates, which help relax smooth muscles, including the lining of your bladder. This can reduce that sudden, uncomfortable urge to get up in the middle of the night. Now, while celery is technically a mild diuretic, timing is key. Eating it earlier in the day, say, before 3 or 4 p.m., gives your body time to flush out excess fluids long before bedtime. Plus, celery helps regulate blood pressure, which is closely tied to how much urine your body makes overnight. It also supports fluid balance with natural potassium and sodium, unlike salty snacks or artificial electrolytes that can overstimulate your bladder. And it's easy to add into your day, raw with hummus, in soups, or blended into a refreshing smoothie with cucumber, ginger, mint, and lemon. One quick tip: always choose vibrant, firm stalks, preferably organic, and store them wrapped in foil in the fridge. That keeps the nutrients and crunch intact. And if you're managing diabetes, celery is a safe choice. It's low in sugar, high in fiber, and won't spike your blood glucose, making it a smart, soothing ally in your nighttime routine. Now let's talk about a leafy green that does more than just top your salad: spinach. If nighttime urgency is keeping you up, this might be your new best friend. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps relax the smooth muscles in your bladder and calms the nerves that often send false alarms when you're trying to sleep. But that's not all. Magnesium also supports your nervous system, helping reduce nighttime stress responses that can trigger unnecessary trips to the bathroom. Spinach also plays a key role in blood sugar stability. If your glucose spikes at night, your kidneys go into overdrive. Spinach helps slow that rise and supports a smoother night. And here's a powerful bonus: it's packed with vitamin B6 and folate, both of which help your body produce melatonin and serotonin. That means better mood, better sleep, and fewer interruptions. Try sautéing it lightly with garlic, mushrooms, and olive oil, just until it wilts. Don't overcook it, or enjoy it in a creamy smoothie with almond milk and a hint of cinnamon. Want to go even further? Add turmeric to reduce inflammation in the urinary tract. Use baby spinach if you can. It's tender, easier to digest, and perfect for a light dinner. Eating spinach 4 to 5 times a week in the late afternoon or evening can build up lasting benefits for both your bladder and your rest. Let's move on to a colorful root vegetable you probably already have in your fridge: carrots. But we're not just talking about vision here. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A nutrient that strengthens the lining of the bladder and helps reduce irritation that triggers nighttime urgency. Their natural antioxidants also support your kidneys by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Two common issues in people managing diabetes. That means less pressure on your kidneys and fewer trips to the bathroom after dark. Carrots also help stabilize blood sugar, thanks to their fiber content, which slows digestion and prevents those late-night glucose spikes that lead to more urination. Plus, vitamin A gives your immune system a helpful boost, protecting against low-grade infections that can aggravate the bladder. Now, how can you use them? Roasted carrots with olive oil, a refreshing raw salad with lemon and sea salt, or one of my favorites, a warm carrot ginger soup blended with coconut milk and a dash of cinnamon. The cinnamon helps regulate insulin, while the healthy fats keep you satisfied without raising your blood sugar. And don't toss those skins. Keep carrots unpeeled and refrigerated until ready. Most of their nutrients are just beneath the surface. Adding carrots to your evening routine just a few times a week can help your bladder stay calm and your sleep stay deep. Here's something most people overlook, but your bladder will thank you for it. Asparagus may not be flashy, but it's incredibly effective when it comes to managing nighttime urination. Known as a natural diuretic, it might sound counterintuitive, but the trick is in the timing. Eaten at lunch or early dinner, asparagus helps your body eliminate excess fluids well before bedtime. It contains asparagine, an amino acid that gently supports kidney function without overstimulating the bladder. You're promoting detox without disrupting your sleep. It's also packed with inulin, a prebiotic fiber that improves digestion and reduces abdominal pressure, which can otherwise push against the bladder at night. Rich in folate, vitamin K, and anti-inflammatory antioxidants, asparagus helps calm the entire urinary tract. You can roast it with olive oil and lemon, or mix it into a quinoa salad with pumpkin seeds, a tasty and functional way to support your kidneys and improve nighttime rest. But if you're craving something even gentler, something warm and soothing to wind down the day, the next veggie might be exactly what you need. Zucchini may be humble, but it brings powerful benefits, especially in the evening. With over 90% water content, it hydrates your body without flooding your bladder. That's ideal for anyone with diabetes or an overactive bladder. Its fiber and potassium help regulate fluid retention, reduce bloating, and ease the strain on your kidneys. Zucchini is also extremely low in sugar and carbs, making it a blood sugar-friendly choice for dinner. It's easy to digest and can calm your digestive system, which often helps reduce nighttime bladder pressure. One of the best ways to prepare it? Lightly sautéed with herbs like dill or parsley, both known for kidney support. Or turn it into spiralized zoodles for a light, satisfying pasta alternative that won't weigh you down before bed. Let's bring it all together, because even the best vegetables won't do their job if our daily habits are working against them. If you're aiming for deeper, more restful sleep, the timing of when you eat matters just as much as what you eat. Try to include bladder-friendly veggies, like the ones we've covered, at lunch or early dinner. That gives your body plenty of time to digest and release fluids well before bedtime. Also, be mindful of what you drink in the evening. Sugary drinks or anything with caffeine can irritate the bladder and spike blood sugar. A good rule? Limit fluids within 2 hours of going to bed, especially if you've been waking up at night. And don't underestimate the power of routine. Going to bed at the same time each night helps regulate hormones like cortisol and vasopressin, both of which affect your bladder and blood sugar balance. Gentle habits like stretching, deep breathing, or reading can calm your nervous system and set the stage for a peaceful night. If you're living with diabetes, keep an eye on your blood sugar before bed. The sweet spot is usually between 100 and 140 milligrams per deciliter. That helps reduce kidney strain and nighttime urine production. One more thing, quality matters. Whenever possible, choose fresh or organic produce, and steer clear of canned veggies loaded with added salt or sugar. Store them properly, and use them in meals consistently. And finally, here's a tip that's simple but powerful. Keep a bladder journal. Track how many times you wake at night, your bedtime blood sugar, and how rested you feel in the morning. Just 1 week of small changes can reveal a lot. Because in the end, it's not just about vegetables. It's about how your daily choices, from what's on your plate to when you power down for bed, shape your body's rhythm. And when everything works in sync, a peaceful night becomes more than possible. It becomes your new normal. If this video gave you even one useful idea, imagine what the next one could do for your health. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we're diving into the top foods that reduce inflammation and protect aging joints. You won't want to miss it.